Hello friends! In this video, we explore the 5 transformative benefits couples can discover through Christian counseling. From spiritual guidance to conflict resolution strategies rooted in faith, Christian counseling offers a unique approach to strengthening relationships. Join us as we delve into the ways couples can find healing, restoration, and deeper connection through this form of counseling. 1. Spiritual guidance. Christian counseling incorporates faith-based principles and biblical teachings to help couples navigate challenges in their relationship within the framework of their beliefs, providing spiritual support and guidance. 2. Conflict resolution. Couples can learn effective communication skills and conflict resolution strategies rooted in Christian values, fostering understanding, forgiveness, and reconciliation. 3. Shared values and beliefs. Christian counseling helps couples strengthen their bond by exploring and reinforcing shared values and beliefs, which can deepen their connection and sense of purpose within their relationship. 4. Healing and restoration. Through prayer, forgiveness, and guidance from Christian counselors, couples can find healing from past hurts, traumas, or conflicts, leading to restoration and renewal of their relationship. 5. Community support. Christian counseling often takes place within a supportive community of faith, providing couples with additional resources, encouragement, and accountability as they work through challenges and strive to strengthen their relationship. Thank you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.